TikTok comments not showing. In this video I will tell you how to fix TikTok comment not showing. So for this, first clear the cache of your TikTok app. So long press on TikTok app, tap app info, storage usage, clear cache, and you should also clear the data. So you will log out from your TikTok account, so you will need to log in again. After that, go to Play Store, update your TikTok account here. Also check your internet connection, switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi. Also check your internet speed and restart your phone. After that, go to TikTok, tap on these three lines, tap on settings and privacy, tap on privacy, tap on comments, tap on allow all comments, and here select everyone. Here before this no one was selected, so here select everyone. You will get comments from everyone now, so these methods will work for you.